just a wonderful opportunity to be able to share the love that we have for hula. I love that we are not competing, that we get to share what we learn, share the things that was given to us by our kupuna, and being able to share that with the world and with Hawaii. This is probably just my fourth time at Prince Lat Hula Festival. Prince Lat Hula Festival started at Moanalua Gardens, and we had an opportunity to dance at Iolani Palace, and now we're at Queen Emma Summer Palace. What an experience to be able to dance where Moanalua Gardens, the foundation and the committee of Prince Lat Hula Festival have the opportunity to share hula in all these different venues, and now again to dance at Queen Emma Summer Palace is quite exciting. As a Kumu, and for me, I value upholding the traditions of our kupuna. I hope to continue to share the old and share what the Kumu that came before us and gave us that pathway, continue to share what they have taught us. So in the words of Mikey, Auntie Mikey Ayu Lake, she says that hula is a Hawaiian dance expressing all we see and hear, smell and taste, and touch and feel. And for me, that's what hula is all about.